Let's see how to lock and protect Microsoft Word documents. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to protect our document so that whenever somebody has access to our computer, they wouldn't be able to open that document. And to do that, first click on the File tab, and here click on Info, and you should be able to see the option to protect the document right here. And when you click on that, you can have it either open as read only to prevent accidental changes. You can restrict editing, or you can even restrict access to the document. Or additionally, if you want a safer option, you can also encrypt the document with a password. And when you click on that, you can simply type in the password, which will make you confirm the password just like that. And as you can see, our document is now protected. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.